Hey everybody, today I want to talk with you about the importance of typography. We're going to do a small exercise with the material that you've got in front of you here. You can see we've got a single sentence. I didn't say he stole her money. The way that this is placed on the screen right now, in a single line, there's no differentiation here. Everything seems to have the same weight. Everything seems to have the same level of importance. It's a little difficult to read all the way across like this. That's much nicer. Here we've got the same message, but it's broken down so that we can read everything within a single glance. We don't have to move our eye. Everything is closer and easier to see. The line lengths really do mean something when it comes to design, and this is just a nice example. But let's move on, and maybe we can look at the way we say these words and what they mean. What if we put the emphasis on the first word, that being the letter I? I didn't say he stole her money. The implication here is somebody said that the money was stolen, but it wasn't me. Just by putting emphasis on one item, we get a completely different sentence. What if we go to something like this? I didn't say he stole her money. With this, the emphasis on didn't means absolutely not. Period. What about something like this? I didn't say he stole her money. If I didn't say it, maybe I implied it. Maybe I proved it or gave some evidence that it came out, but I didn't say it. By putting our emphasis here, we see that the sentence takes on a completely different mode. But what about this? I didn't say he stole her money. Maybe the money was stolen, but it wasn't by him. I didn't say he stole her money. Maybe he borrowed it. Maybe she told him he could take it and then forgot. Maybe he found it. We don't know. But by putting some emphasis here on this word, the sentence has taken another different turn. I didn't say he stole her money. Again, by making some small changes, this sentence takes on a completely different tone and understanding. Yes, he stole something. In fact, he probably stole this money, but it wasn't hers. It clearly could have come from somewhere else. Let's try something different. I didn't say he stole her money. Maybe he stole her heart. Or something else. Maybe he took her checkbook. But by placing the emphasis on a different word, by redesigning the way that we are putting these things together, emphasis is placed in a different way to lead the viewer or the reader to a distinct conclusion. And all that is required here is for us to take the time to design it with the ideas behind the words. Here we are back with a nice straight text. You can see, based on what we've seen before, now this seems rather boring. And if we were to go back to our original, well, it's even more monotonous. Okay, I hope you've learned a little bit here on just how laying out the type differently, giving emphasis in the parts that are truly important, and how that can really make a difference.